Hey, what's going on, everybody? We're going to be doing a family portrait today for the first time, so that's exciting. We're going to be doing the Bush family, and that's their last name. That's not like I'm not using an adjective to describe them. They don't like live in bushes or anything like that. So let's see. Oh, my floor is kind of messed up. That sucks. Probably have to replace that at some point before it gets worse. All right, so I'll show you what supplies I have. This nice, beautiful green Verde vert. We got this red, and then we got all this stuff, green, all this. I still have this paper over here, and then, no, I got the paper already, don't worry about that. We got the color pencil box, my pen. That's basically it. All right, so let's get all this shit out of here. My arm really hurts when I do that. Okay. So let's see. Go ahead and start. So it's a family portrait. So a family. Oh, dropped my pen. Fucked up my floor. And I gotta replace this floor soon. It's already been like 3 months since the last time I replaced it. All right, so a family is when there's two big people and then two smaller people. So you could tell that they're smaller usually because their faces are closer to the ground. And as they get older, you'll notice that their faces get farther up off the ground. That's a good way to know that someone is aging properly. So I start with all their faces just because that's the easiest way to do this, I find. Actually, yeah, I messed this up because her face probably should have been closer over there, but it's okay. Yeah, this is coming out pretty much amazing so far, so I'm not worried. I'm not worried in the slightest. Maybe a little bit. Wow, this is tough. There's a lot of intricate details. It's a lot easier when you're just doing one person. Yeah, okay. No problem. I can do this. You know what? Since it's a portrait, let's go ahead and draw the frame there so I know it makes it a little less intimidating knowing that I could only anything below here I don't have to worry about. Okay, so all right, and then yeah, pretty much okay, yeah, it's coming together already. It's coming together. So we'll go ahead and do his hand. There we go. And then yeah, his little hands are grabbing his hand. Just like that. Exactly like that. Yeah, that's perfect. He's giving the camera a funny look. He's like, are we really doing a family portrait right now, guys? Oop, he's not that angry. He's not angry at all. What am I doing? Oh yeah, that is that's a pretty good face. Yeah. Let's see. None of them are angry. I don't know why I think because I just drew an animal, and I made the animal angry. And like once I have that, like the once I draw something angry, it's hard to like switch back to other emotions. So I'm gonna try to stop myself from doing that. Or you know what? Maybe I should just not even try at this point because it's just coming out naturally. And with art, you do kind of want to just let it flow. You don't want to try to suppress you know, like you know, what your artistic expression is trying to get you to do. So, I mean, if it wants me to make them angry, I'm not going to try to fight it. So, they're all wearing, actually, it's funny, they're all wearing the kind of like the same shirt. And that must have been so awkward, like showing up and they're all like, "Oh my God, you wore that too? I didn't think you were gonna wear." Oh no, we're all wearing the same thing. And then like the kids show up and they're like, "Oh, you guys too?" "Yeah, I didn't even know that we bought you those shirts." And they're like, "Yeah, for Christmas last year." All right, so it's yeah, they're all basically wearing like red flannel-y thingies. Shirts. That's the word I'm looking for. I always mess up my articles of clothing, and so I guess I should finish the bodies as well. So her arm is like coming out. It's out of the frame. Yeah, she's her hand's right there. Boom. The hand just kind of like, oh, it goes behind her arm, and then it just kind of like fades out right there. And let's see, we'll go ahead and do the hair. So hair is let's see, do we have yellow? We have yellow. Do we have a pencil sharpener? We don't have a pencil sharpener. So that's a problem. Oh, we have a yellow crayon. That's perfect. All right, there we go. Yeah, great. There we go. Perfect. So yellow, 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 and then brown. We'll do brown right there. There we go. These are coming out really good. I haven't done a family portrait since actually, a funny story. I did a family portrait for second grade. It was a school project, and I was so excited. I did a picture of me, my mom, my dad, my sisters. I was so excited to do it, and I put so much effort into it, so much energy, and I couldn't wait to get home and show my parents. And I was so happy. I walked in and I was like, Dad, look at the family portrait I did. And he was sitting on the couch drinking. And he said, "Get the hell out of here." And he threw the remote at me, at my arm. And it hurt pretty bad. But I felt bad for annoying him. So then I went to go show my mom. I said, "Mom, look at the portrait I did today." And she looked at me and she said, "You should be ashamed of yourself. You're a disgrace." And then she made me rip it up in front of her into as many pieces as possible. She said so many pieces that you can never put it back together again. And then she said, "I'm gonna go get something. I'll be right back." And she came back with the wooden spoon, and she hit me with it. And yeah, so she was never afraid to give some constructive criticism. So we'll go ahead and color in the eyes now. They all seem to have blue eyes, so I got this nice blue crayon, but colored pencil would be nicer. So we'll go ahead with the blue colored pencil. There we go. We're going on 10 minutes here, but that's pretty good because normally it takes me almost 10 minutes just to do one person. So doing a whole family portrait is pretty amazing. And so we'll finish up there. There's some trees behind them. So trees are green. Unless they're dead, in which case they're like brown. So there's probably some dead ones back there. So just in case, I want to cover all my bases. And there it is. So, oops. always dropped it. Let's compare it to the original. I mean, that's spot on. Look at that. I got, yep, all 4 of them perfectly. So, all right, thanks, guys, and see you later.